reaction. Cool. So we're going to ask some questions about numbers. And first, do you want to do Chinese or English first?
English.
Do English first and then Chinese later. Right? All right. So the first one, number 1, we need you to count together. I'm going to count with you to number 3, and then I want you to keep going and see how high you can go in English. All right? So we'll start off together. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 26, 27, 28, 29, 20, 10.
Okay. All right.
20.
All right. Excellent. And how about in Chinese?
1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10、11、12、13、14、15、16、17、18、19、20。
Can you keep going? Can you go any higher?
23、24、25、26、27、28、29、20。
Okay. Very good. Very good. All right. Now, you got to 20, yeah? Do you know what comes after 20?
90。
All right, all right. And you got to 2010 in English, but it's not 2010, it's 30. Do you know what comes after 30?
31.
Oh, okay. What after 31?
32.
Oh, well, why did you say 2010? You just said 30. Can you keep going after 32?
No, I can't.
Okay, fair enough.
Fair enough.
Okay. Next one. All right, sit down for a second. I'm going to get something. Now, this is a bit of a guessing game. Do you want to guess?
Yes.
All right, now, I'm shaking these all up so you can't see how many there are. All right? So we're just kind of take a look, and I'm going to show it to you. And I don't want you to count them. I want you to guess how many there you think there are. How many do you think there are?
4.
Maybe 4? All right. So let's take them out, and you count them and see if you were right or wrong.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, okay. So you guessed.
5.
You guessed 4, and you counted 5. Okay, so you counted in
Ooh,
check.
I like those balls. Those are colorful.
They are very colorful balls. So how many are there
Then
altogether?
where do you get this?
Oh, we got it from the ball store, of course. How many are there altogether?
4, 5.
5 altogether. Okay, excellent, excellent. And let me see here for a minute. Can I see the balls? All right, so there's 5 like this, yeah? What about if I change them like that? Now how many are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Still 5? Okay, well that's good to know. That's good to
1,
know.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Very interesting, very interesting. Excellent. Can you put the balls back in the jar for me? Thank you.
This looks like a slide.
All right, now, this one we're going to use this.
What?
I know. Crazy, huh?
That's crazy.
All right, and here.
Oh, the bottle lids. The
Bottle lids,
water
that's right.
lids.
All right.
The water lids.
Now, there are 14 or 15 bottle lids here, but what I'd like to do is, can you take 10 of them and put them on the board for me, please? Thanks.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, very good. And are you sure there's 10? Yeah, for sure. Very good. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's try again. Let's try again. See if you could put 8 on here.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4,
You want to try 10 again?
Yeah. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, very good. You got it right on the second try. Okay, excellent.
It can just roll it by itself.
I know. Bottle lids are funny. All right. You ready for our next game?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Let's see. What is our next game? Our next game is. Oh yeah. All right. So here is part 2. Let's get rid of that. Put that back there. Now, the next question is, can you start at a different number and keep counting? So this time we're going to start at the number 3. I want to see if you can count from 3 to 10.
3 to 10?
Yeah, just start at the number 3 and then go higher up to 10.
I don't. 10.
Well, what comes after 3?
4.
All right, well, keep going into 10.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, very good. Now, let's see if you can start at 11. Just like 3 to 10, but you need to go from 11 to 25. I know. So prepare yourself. Think. So 11. What comes after 11? 32. 32. Interesting. All right. Do you know what comes after 32?
33.
Okay. All right. How about, let's see. I got another one for you. All right. Now we're going to play with these a little bit.
A little bit?
Yeah, just a little bit. All right. So you can see that they're all different. All right. So I'm gonna choose one, and you can only look at it for a short time, 2 seconds. That's like 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, and then you're finished. You can only look at it for a short time. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Here's the first card. You only see it for a short time, and then you have to tell me how many dots you see. You know what dots are? Yeah. All right. So.
1.
So 1 dot?
Yeah.
Okay, that's correct. Very good, very good. So number 1. All right, let me see. Let's see if I got another one here. Ready?
3.
Well, that was pretty fast. That was pretty fast. Ready?
Yeah. 2.
Good. All right. Wow, that's fast. Not even getting to my 2 seconds. Ready?
6.
Wow, that's fast. And go.
5.
Wow, super fast. All right. You got all the right answers, son. Very good. Let's see, what else we have now?
Wait, you need to do a straight line.
Oh, it's okay. I'll handle this part. You just answered the questions, little man. All right. So, next part, let's do this. Now, we're going to play with these for a little bit. We're going to make kind of like a train. Kind of like a train. Let Daddy make the train first, okay? Daddy will make the train first. We're going to make some kind of special trains. We'll go there. And then we're going to go like that. And then we're going to do that. Now, don't touch them. Let's set it all up first. All right. So, do you see 2 colors? Which colors do you see?
Blue
So which color has more? Speak.
Blue.
Yeah? How do you know that? How do you know blue? That's right. But how do you know?
Because I'm clever.
Hmm? Because you're clever. Okay, well that's correct. All right, well let's try this one more time. I'm gonna make a different kind of train and see how you do with that one. All right. This train, I'm gonna do that like that, and then we're gonna do this like this, and then we're gonna do this like this, and then we're gonna do this like this. So, which color has more?
This time is
This time's yellow. How do you know that?
because I'm clever.
Okay. And let's try it again. Let's try it again. All the blues and all the yellows. Let's see. This time, let's go like that. And then like that. And then like that. And then like, wait now. What have I done? Did I lose a piece? Okay, that's all right. And like that. And that.
Oopsie.
Oh, like that. Okay, now which color has more?
What? It's yellow and blue?
But which color has more? One of the colors has more.
Blue.
Are you guessing or are you sure?
Sure.
You're sure. Okay. How do you know?
Because clever still.
You're still clever. Okay. All right. Well, very good. You're doing good so far, son. You okay? Not nervous? Okay. Well, here we go. All right. Are you ready for our next little game?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, let's see. Where are we now? Now we need a different piece of paper. And that is... Oh.
This one
Now.
is number 3.
You can't eat these bears.
Why?
Because we're going to use them for the Bears in the River test.
How?
Right here, sit back a little bit so you can see it nice. You can sit up a little higher if you like. All right, so yeah, there's lots of bears in the world, so we'll just put lots of bears there, like a zoo or something. All right. Now, here's the thing. Here's the thing. There are 5 bears by the river. Some of them are swimming, and some of them are not. Can you show us how to make 5 bears on this picture, some of them swimming and some of them not?
Okay.
5 bears, some swimming, some not.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
And put it in the tree.
Okay. All right, now hold on now before you get, okay, carry on.
Uh-oh, one
Did you
drop
drop-
off.
Did you drop a bear?
Yeah, drop there.
Oh, man, you're a bear dropper.
Is it okay?
All right, so let's see.
Hey,
Like this boy, 26, 2014. Today is, do you remember the date today?
it's Tuesday.
It is not Tuesday, it's Monday,
Monday?
the 29th.
Yeah.
But that's okay.
Sure.
All right, so now, do you remember me saying there are 5 bears in this picture?
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4.
I said there's 5 bears in the picture. This whole thing is the picture. Some of the bears were swimming, and some of the 5 were not swimming. How many did you take? Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. You took 8, all right. Yes. Now, let's see, you put 4 in the river and 4 out of the river. Yeah? Now, let's try this again. Let's get all the bears off of there for a minute. Now, let's try this again. I told you the first time there's 5 bears over here, some of them in the river, some of them not, but you took 8. So let's try a lower number. Let's try this again. This time, there are 4 bears at the river. Right? This can be at the river, this can be at the river. Some of the bears are swimming, and some of them are not.
Go 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, so now, all of the bears are swimming. Yeah? All right. So,
You're getting
let's-
naked.
now hold on now, the test is not finished yet. I'm going to try it one more time. This time, there are 3 bears at the river. Now listen to my words very carefully. 3 bears in total. Some of them are swimming, and some of them are not swimming. Well, they're all. All right. So, all of your bears are swimming? Is that right?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. All right.
Daddy, wait, some of them are flying.
Well, they could be flying bears, but there was only 3 at the river. These ones are not at the river. Only 3. Now, let's do this. How many bears are here?
3.
Okay, very good. So, there are 3 bears down here. One of them is swimming, and some of them are hiding. How many are hiding?
2.
How many?
2.
2 are hiding? Oh, very good. 2 are hiding. All right, excellent.
Here's 1.
All right, excellent. All right, are you ready to play cupcake games?
Yeah.
Cupcake games? All right. Maybe you can help me. Can you put the bears away, please?
Sure.
Thanks.
We don't want to eat them because we're using them. Right, Daddy?
That is correct.
Wait, I see some.
Get crumbs off the river?
Yeah?
All right, excellent. Oh, you gotta finish the job there, please.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you very much. All right, so let's do this. And let's see.
So let's take this one.
Oh, yeah, good idea. Get the bears back in the river. Okay.
Cupcakes in.
Now, this blue thing is a plate. All right, so we're going to say that's a plate. So some of the cupcakes are on the plate, and some of them are not on the plate. Is that right?
Yeah.
Yeah? How many cupcakes do you see on the plate?
5.
See 5, yeah?
1,
Okay.
2, 3, 4, 5.
And how many cupcakes do you see totally?
5. Where?
Anywhere. Totally. How many cupcakes in all?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Well, those are cupcakes on the plate, but not all of the cupcakes are on the plate. Yeah?
And so those
I don't know. That's cupcakes.
2 are not on the plate.
Yeah. So if you have to count them all, then how many would there be?
So this is what this.
Well, they're not on the plate, though.
Oh.
Yeah, they're over here.
So I think 2 are not on the plate and 5 on the plate.
So how many in all? Totally. How many cupcakes are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay.
7.
Okay. Yeah. When we say in all, in total, it means you have to talk about all of the cupcakes. All right? All right, so now let's do this. Let's take these 7 cupcakes and we'll put them here. Okay? Now, there's lots more cupcakes. Whoa, look at all the cupcakes. I want you to take 11 of these cupcakes and put some of them on the plate and some of them not on the plate. Can you take 11 cupcakes?
On a plate?
Some of them on the plate, some of them not on the plate. It's up to you how many you want on the plate and how many you want not on the plate. Okay. All right. Now, so it looks like these ones are on the plate, yeah? And the rest of them are not on the plate, yeah? Oh, you got that one more on the plate? Okay, excellent. So, how many did you put on the plate?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7 cupcakes on the plate? All right, yeah, okay. And how many cupcakes are not on the plate?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
These.
And so how many are there totally? How many cupcakes are there altogether?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
11 in total. 12. You sure?
Yeah. I would count.
I thought I told you to take 11. Did you take 12?
Yeah.
Yeah? You sure?
Yeah.
Better count them again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Interesting. Okay.
Interesting?
Yes, it is interesting.
You didn't know that.
Do you know why it's interesting?
No.
Because your first answer was right, and then you changed your mind.
I changed my mind.
2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8,
10, 11.
Interesting. Okay, now let's do this again. So there's your 11 cupcakes. 11 cupcakes. Can you think of a different way to put them on the plate and off the plate, please?
Okay. There's more.
Oh no, I asked for 11. Are you sure this is 11? No, don't be touching it. Are you sure this is 11?
Yeah.
How do you know?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 11!
Okay. So, 11 cupcakes. How many cupcakes did you put on the plate?
Nope.
The nope is not a number. How many did you put on the plate?
Nothing.
0? All right.
Nothing.
And so how many cupcakes are not on the plate?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Okay. Are you sure you want to count that again? Oh, can you take your hand out of your mouth, please? Thank you.
So later we're going to play a different game?
So how many cupcakes do you have in total?
No. No. No on the plate.
Doesn't matter. In total, how many cupcakes do you have?
So let's try it again.
Are you going to count them a different way? Okay. So how many do you have? I want to know how many cupcakes do you have in total?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Where's 11? Okay, okay. Now, a minute ago, you told me there were 12 cupcakes. Are there 12 or 11? Can you get your feet off the table, please, and take your shirt out of your mouth?
11.
11, for sure? For sure? Pardon? Can you look at me and say for sure? Mm-hmm. Is not for sure. For sure? For sure. Okay. Okay. That's the end of our games. Do you have any questions?
Yeah, I want to play the ball.
Oh no, we gotta get these are for the next kid. Your test is over.